My name is Abdul Abdullah and I'm the artist who's produced the new work Come Together for Arden Station. The artwork itself, the background is a reference to J.S. Calder's painting, A View from Royal Park of the West Melbourne Swamp. And I wanted to depict what the area was like before colonial settlement. I wanted it to be a link to the past. And then what I've done with it is turned it into a mosaic, or not a true mosaic, but a reference of a mosaic that speaks to that idea of history and how history stays with us for a very long time and contextualizes the things that we do. And then finally over the top we have these aluminium hands that are coming together. So they've been painted white, they're sitting off the surface, but they're fitted and secured safely onto that gigantic painting by J.S. Calder. It was a real honour to be selected as one of the artists and to have a work that's going to be in place for a very long time. I hope that my kids and maybe my grandkids will be able to see the work and understand that legacy. I grew up by a train station, and that train station was a real nexus point, a real joining of communities where people crossed over at different times of the day. Having an artwork at a station like that, I hope that it stands for a sign of a communal gathering place and a place where people feel comfortable being in that civic space, a space that's welcoming to all different types of people.